Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. As of last night, or early this morning, ANON-CO has the Tecsun H-501x radio in their listings. Now, it's not available. See right here, I don't know if you can read it or not. It says expected mid-May. Well, they were kind enough and was kind enough to send me one, and I got it this week. It's going to be $298. It's multiple bands, hundreds of features. And just to show you, I'm not kidding you, I'm going to slide over here. Try to put my camera down. And there it is. And this is not just a box. It's really in there. A really nice box. Now, some people say, what do we care about the box? To me, and it's not always the case, but to me, if the company does a fantastic job of the boxing of their product, to me, that implies that their product is also high quality. And this is definitely a high quality box. Look at all these features. Oh my gosh. And there's some things unique about this radio that you're like, whoa, why didn't somebody else think of that? So I'm going to be reviewing this. I'm going to do a lot of shows on this because it's got a lot of features, a lot of things to check out, stereo speakers. Oh, this is going to be a cool radio. I've got to learn it. It's got so many functions, so many features. I want to, do my homework and learn how to use these features. Sometimes I don't do that. I pay the price. So anyway, the next show will be a semi-unboxing. I don't really like unboxing, but I just want to show you the components that come with this radio and start getting into the features. The other thing is I'm going to use my extensive radio review checklist to go through this, which has about 20 items on it to get everything that's possible checked out in this radio for you. Because we're talking about $298, but I think you're going to find that it's going to be worth it because of all the features. So that's it. I'll put a link to, there's two versions of this on their website, one with a soft case and one with a hard case. And so I've got both links. They sent me both links. I'll put that in the first comment below this video. So you can go ahead and go to their website and look over the features there, and then come back and I'll be doing a bunch of shows on this radio. This is fantastic. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.